Introducing the magnifying lens set. The magnifying lens set will fit onto the Epic 2 and the Ruby 90. To use the magnifiers on your machine, you'll need to first fit the holder. The holder comes with the magnifiers. So we're going to just push that up into the machine. It's behind the thread guide just here, and there is a purpose built hole for it. So you just literally put it into place, push it up, and it will click into place. And then this will swivel with the magnifiers in. You get 3 magnifiers with your magnifying lens set of different magnification. I'm going to put in the strongest one to start with, and that just fits into the little slot there and just pushes in, so that you can swivel this around. This is putting the magnifier on. This is without the magnification, and this is with the magnifier, so you can immediately see the benefit of having the magnifier in place. You can it's so much more visible to see your needle, your foot, and you can see the thread. So when you are doing closer work, or you're doing black on black or white on white that's difficult to see, you've got the magnification to be able to see what you're doing.